This video is about the flowchart and its symbols used in the algorithm. Let's first see what is a flowchart. A flowchart is a graphical or symbolic representation of a process. It's basically used to design and document virtually complex processes to help the viewers to visualize the logic of the process so that they can gain a better understanding of the process and find flaws, bottlenecks, and other less obvious features within it. Here are the symbols used in the flowchart. Start and end symbol. It is also known as the terminal symbols and are represented as circles, ovals, or rounded rectangles. Terminal symbols are always the first and the last symbol in the flowchart. The next symbol is the arrows. Arrows depict the flow of the control of the program. They illustrate the exact sequence in which the instructions are executed. Processing step, also called an activity, is represented using a rectangle. Activities include instructions such as add or to save the result. Therefore, a processing symbol represents arithmetic and data movement instructions. When more than one process has to be executed simultaneously, they can be placed in the same processing box. However, the execution will be carried out in the order of their appearance. Input or output symbol. It is represented using a parallelogram and are used to get input from the user or display the result to them. Conditional or decision symbol. It is represented using a diamond. It is basically used to depict a yes or no question or a true or false test. The two symbols coming out of it, one from the bottom point and other from the right point, corresponds yes or true and no or false, respectively. The arrows should always be labeled. A decision symbol in a flowchart can have more than two arrows, which indicates that a complex decision is being taken. Labeled connectors are represented by identifying label inside a circle and are used in complex or multi-sheet diagrams to substitute for arrows. For each label, the outflow connector must have one or more inflow connectors. A pair of identically labeled connectors is used to indicate a continued flow when the use of lines become confusing. The final one, a predefined process symbol, is a marker for another process step or series of process flow steps that are formally defined elsewhere. This shape commonly depicts subprocess or subroutines in a programming flowchart. So for more videos like this, stay connected to our channel. Thank you.